Well, I got a friend that went to Italy and spent about 2,000 or more. I'm sure it was more than that to get a taste of Italy. We're about to do it for under $5. How do you ask? Here we go. Got a little dough, a little sauce, cooked tomatoes with garlic and onions. We're gonna spread it out just like this. And we're gonna come through with the rest of the ingredients. Here we go. Go with a little pecorino romano, just like that. We'll go with some pepperonis all around. And of course, some shredded mozzarella right there. Let it fall, and we're gonna top it off with some fresh basil. Ooh, that smells really good. Here we go, and now we're gonna close it up. We're gonna put it in, but not yet. Here we go. Just come through and close the edges, nice and tight. The same thing here. We're gonna pull around, not to lose our sauce. We're gonna pinch this off. Don't worry, I'm gonna use this for another little recipe. Put it right to the side, and now we're just gonna go around like this. Make sure we have no loose edges, nothing is coming out, and we're ready to go into the hot oil. Guys, this is a real recipe from Napoli in Italy. This is how they do it down there. We're about to do it. Let's see if we can make it as good as they can. Nice and ready. Let's go into this hot oil, just like this, slowly. We're gonna drop it in, let that fry. Side is looking great. Let's check out the other side and see if we're ready to remove it from this oil. Nice. There we go. Let's get that excess off, and the rest will come off right on this rack. There we go. Now we're gonna dab that real quick, get that excess oil off, and finish it off. We're gonna do it a little different, guys. There we go. Beautiful. This sauce is hot. The top is hot. So we're gonna come through with some more Parmesan. And fresh basil leaves all the way around. There we go. Let that dry. It's looking good. Let's go ahead and cut into it. Get that out the way. And we bring this here. Nice. It smells so good. So good. And here we go. A little hot to handle still. Got it. Wow, that smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a little piece right here. Look at that. Enjoy, guys. And we didn't spend $2,000 on an airplane ticket. All this under $7. Oh wow. So good. There's lunch.